Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you on how to round numbers. Tens place, whole numbers. So rounding is a very crucial subject in math. So we're going to start off by making a ones and tens table to make it easier to learn. So obviously 5 and 56 is tens. And 6 in the ones place. So now, this is also a crucial part in rounding, is you don't only look at the tens place. You also have to look at the ones place. So we know that 5 is tens. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on 5 and we're going to go ahead and jump to 6. We're going to look at 6. Now, this is also the most crucial part of rounding. If the number that is next to the tens, which is 6 in this case, if it is 5 or more, so it can be 5 or more, 5 plus. If it's 5 or more, then we round up. If it's 4 or less than 4, 4 or less, then we round down. So obviously 56 is in between the numbers 50 and 60. 56 is in between 50 and 60. And 56 would be about right here. So that's just a visual on how to see it in a number line. So obviously we can also see here that 56 is more closer to 60 than 50. But if you're not using a number line, the way I'm teaching you here is a very good way and easy way and fast way on learning how to round. Anyways, since obviously 6 is 5 and up, we're going to be running up. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip back to 5 and we're going to add 1 to 5. If it's 5 or more, then we're going to add 1 to the last number. So it's going to be 6. So 5 is going to turn into 6. And this 6, it's going to turn into 0. It turns into 0 because it doesn't make sense that we put 6 like this, 66. That doesn't make any sense because 56 can't be rounded to 66. It's in between 50 and 60. So it's either one of those, 50 or 60. So 60 is the right answer. The reason we turn 6 to 0 is because obviously, as I said, that 60 and 50, 56 is only in between 60 and 50. It's not in between 70 and 30. It's not in between 60 and 30. It's in between 50 and 60. So I can also show you another example on a number line over here. We'll try 46. And if let's say we wanted to round 46 to nearest tens. So we're going to make a table, the ones and tens table. And let's change it. So here we're going to make a table again. And this time we're going to be using, let's change it up a bit. How about 45? Make this a little tricky. 45. So 4 is obviously 10. Place, and 5 is ones. So now we look. We obviously see that 5 is 5 or up. So we're going to be running up. So we go back to 4. And here a lot of people get confused because they think, oh, I'm going to round down because it's more than 5. You can round up if it's 5 or more than 5. More than 5. So it can be 5 or more than 5. So since this is 5, we're going to round up. So this 4, we add 1, and it becomes 5. And this 5, we bring it down, and it turns to 0. 50 is the answer. 45 to the rounded to the nearest tens is 50. And I'll even show you on the number line. Well, on the number line, I can't do it on the number line because it shows that they're equal. Like, it's 5 away from 50 and 5 away from 40. So here, it's 40, and this is 50, and 45 would be right here. But mathematically, we would round higher so it's just a rule in math. If you would round higher, you guys probably don't need to know it, but just for explaining sake, if it's 5, you're always going to round up. So 45 rounded to the nearest tens is 50. I hope you learned a lot from that video. Hope you hit that subscribe and like button. Trying to get at least 100 subscribers by the end of the month. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.